Hello everybody, this is Ghulam Rabil from YouTube, and I'm here to tell you how to perform a function called countif in Excel 2007, which actually works in 2003 also, but I do have 2007, so I'm going to tell you how to do this. Over here you can see I've got a 10 by 10 or a 100 squared, 100 column, 100 boxed table with numbers ranging from 1 to 6. Actually, I supposed it to be a dice because dice has 6 numbers, 6 faces. So these are the numbers. These are actually the frequencies. So it's also the case of frequencies. You want to calculate the frequencies of every number that came, like count how many times did 1 come in the game, how many times did 2 come in the game. So that's for this. In order to do that, I'll first show you how to do this by using it's actually quite easy if you do it with countif. To do that, first write the values you can see in the table. Like you can see 1, you can see 2, you can see 3, 4, 5, and 6. So write 1, and then another option, you can see the handle, black handle over here. You can push it, but you know it just aligns it to the right. Then just don't left click, right click, and drag it down like this till 6 columns, because you need 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. And here it says fill series. Click fill series, and you can see it got you with 6 of the, you can say 6 numbers which you need, because the range of numbers here, I'm gonna go for no color and no borders for this, the whole actually. Yeah, this is also an essential part for Excel users, like a table filling. You know how to do this. And put a colon and click the handle and bring it down. And I prefer if you go for this, and now if you copy it down and another number, so you want, this is the place, this is the cell, this is O2, where you want your 1, the frequency, the times number 1 has come in the game, to be. So click here and start typing. It's equal to sign with every formula, and write countif, parenthesis, you can see the table. It actually asks you for the range, so you go for a whole table like this, select the table and the criteria. Let me make something clear about the criteria. It's actually the criteria which it's asking is for the one, like like this one, like what's the criteria, what number do you want it to appear with. So if there are 11 ones, for example, over here, so this will become the 12th one, the 12 times A has come here. So you can write the cell number. You can even click at the cell number, M2, and close the bracket, parenthesis or whatever, and then click enter, and you can see 9. If you start counting here, if you just pause the video and then start counting on the table, like here, you can count it up, and with this one, and you'll find out that it's actually 9. So you can drag it down, and you can see you've got the correct numbers over here. The 2 came 11 times, 3 came 21 times, 4 came 12 times, but actually it's not correct. It's the incorrect value, because if you actually say it's 11, but it's actually 12. It's actually 12. So what you do is you do not write the formula again and again, because it's just a waste of time. You click on the formula over here, and use an absolute cell reference. And the pet mistake people make is they put it before the B. Actually, you just have to press the key F4, and you can see it adds a $sign to it, and then again put it after the K or before the number, press an F4, and you got it. So this means it's an absolute cell reference. Now if you click, it remains 9, but if you drag down, you may see it's 12. Before that it was 11, because it was incorrect. You did not have the absolute cell reference. We had to move to M2, so it was just moving with M1. That is why. Don't forget to pull the absolute cell reference before you're making something like a countif. If we're working with countif, because in count it's just a simple thing. You just put count and start value 1, like 1. But this is something like having it. So this was the countif tutorial. I hope you liked it. This may help. Thank you very much for seeing this.